Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to link your account to Bandai Namco ID, or you can make a Bandai Namco profile, Bandai Namco ID account to gain access to other Bandai content. So I made this video is for beginner that are still new into this game, how, uh, how this game is works, and how you can challenge the event, completing mission, and get the ton of reward after completing missions. So you have to save your account or link your account to Bandai Namco ID. Let's get started by tapping the menu button, tap the other and this one, Bandai Namco ID link settings, tap. So this is the condition. By linking a Bandai Namco ID, you can gain access to content that is available through other services that can be linked to a Bandai Namco ID. So you have to read this until the end. Once linked, a Bandai Namco ID can be unlinked by using the unlink button from the game Bandai Namco ID confirmation screen or from the Bandai Namco ID portal site. So if you are done with the Bandai Namco, you can unlink. This one, just tap this one, link account or check link account. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.